All right. Hi, Elliott. Okay, we're getting ready for our train to go, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. It's gonna move pretty soon. Here's our train. We're down here waiting for it. We just learned some interesting news, didn't we? Yeah. That the train don't run over anything to signal. The signal runs through the tracks, all the way down the tracks. So the train don't push no buttons or nothing. The computer just knows when it's crossing by the crossings. They're just warming it up right now. Brian's doing a walk around to make sure everything's okay before he takes off.